everyone, meet my friend Mitra.
Hello everyone. Now I am a birder. I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Now I've traveled to Scotland, to Zululand and all the way down to Antarctica to look for as many birds as I can in a single year.
Now Mitra here, she is very passionate and a little bit crazy.
Hey, I'm not crazy. Kidding.
So Mitra, how many birds have you seen?
Last year I saw about 1,000. This year I want to break the record and see 3,000 or more.
Wow! Hashtag show off. Okay. Everyone, let us begin our journey to meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible twin friends. First up, South America. Let's go. Now we will take a drive to the port, then a boat ride on the Tambo Patang River. We might see the footprints of a jaguar or spot a red howler. Look around you. You are now in one of the most biodiverse parts of the Peruvian Amazon. Now everyone, welcome to the Chucho Macomb Play Lake, where hundreds of birds gather every day to lick and play. Now this play lake is the largest of its kind in the world.
And everyone, keep your eyes right back there. We have two beautiful scarlet macaws, Adric and Ferrari. Come on over here, Ferrari. Okay, so you both, I need you guys to fly over to check out your clay lake. You guys want to fly over here? You guys take a pit stop?
Yes,
Okay,
okay,
so-
right up there.
There they are. Okay, Adric and Ferrari, over here. Come on. One person lead the way. Y'all want to stay there instead? Okay, never mind. Just stay there. Okay. So macaws, they actually have very sharp and pointy bills. So this allows them to eat unripe fruits. There you go. But there are toxins in those fruits which aren't good for the birds. So clay neutralizes the toxins. Clay also has minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right?
Yep, no upset tummies. Well, looks like Adric and Ferrari are enjoying their salty feast. Can we give them a big hand, everyone?
Okay, so Lynn,
Yes?
I want to see more birds. So let's not stop. Let's keep going. Let's fly to Southeast Asia. Come on! And stop.
Now everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. Now Mitra, is that enough birds for you?
No, I want to see more birds.
Seriously, more? More birds? Okay. Since Mitra here wants to see more birds, we are going to be joined by friends of the park, okay? So in a very short while, we will be joined by them. Let's just wait for everyone right here to take their seats first. Thank you very much. We are good to go? Okay. This way. Now with me here, this is Higgins, a green-winged macaw. And green-winged macaws like Higgins, they are one of the largest in the parrot family. And Higgins here is about 10 years old.
So right here with me, I have Kitty, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now cockatoos can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. Now can you all see the yellow feathers on her head? Well, that is called a crest. Sulfur is yellow and therefore they are known as the sulfur-crested cockatoos.
Now parrots, they mate for life, and main important parrots So they take advantage of abandoned tree cavities or tree hollows just like this to build their nest.
I think they are all
And they also
parrot
have,
family.
they also use
Just
nesting
like one
materials.
person.
Okay, I have a basket full
Name
of
is
them.
cockatoo.
Let me show you all.
And
So
the
nesting
red
materials
one, the name
include
is
dried
macaw.
leaves, normal leaves, okay, twigs and tree barks. So if the cavity is too small, they will then use their beaks to enlarge them. So in a very short while, both Katie and Higgins will be demonstrating this behavior by dropping all of those into the nest cavity. Go!
If you are wondering what's happening inside, let's watch this. Oh, look at that, that's Higgins right there. What are you doing?
Yes, Katie!
That's right, yeah. That's you. So cute.
Look at her double tracking.
And there you go. Can we give it up for Katie and Higgins as well as their wonderful trainers?
Lynn? Did you hear a rooster? A rooster here in the park? Lynn! That's the rooster!
No, Mitra. There's a rooster.
No, Lynn, that's an Amazon parrot.
Okay, Mitra, you just listen, okay?
Listening.
Now, Quincy, can you show Mitra how you do the rooster? See, I told you, right?
Okay, I listen to you now.
Okay. Now, everyone, by the way, this right here is Quincy and Amigo, and they are masters of mimicry. So before Quincy here mimic some sounds, Quincy, can you welcome our guests? Welcome them. Did you catch what he said? He said, "Welcome to Parrot Paradise." Let's hear this one more time. Okay, so let's just give Quincy some time. She's still munching on the treat. Ready? Okay. How do you welcome them? Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Good job, Quincy. So you heard Quincy mimic the rooster earlier. This time, Quincy, how about the cat? That was a very clear scare, right? Okay, Quincy, one more sound. How about the telephone? Can we give Quincy a big hand, everyone? Good job, Quincy.
So parrots, they learn how to imitate and make calls by their families. So if they were to mimic human sounds, they're basically doing what they hear around them.
That's right. So in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Mandasta.
And I would like to hear Amigo mimic some human sounds. So let's start with something simple. You want to say hello? Hello. Wow. That was a very clear and sweet hello. Okay, now that we all know his name, right? Let's get him to say it himself, okay? Can you tell everyone your name? Amigo! Amigo! Amigo, there's so many of them here today. So how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? You heard that? He's asking, how are you? So how is everyone feeling today? Good? Yes, that's very nice to hear. So Amigo can also sing. He's going to sing for us an English song. And it happens to be the birthday song. So this song goes out to those of you who are celebrating your birthdays today. Okay? So Amigo, you ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday and thank you so much for celebrating your birthdays right here at the Bird Paradise. And I must say, that was pretty amazing, right?
Yes, indeed. Now, but hold on, everyone. Quincy here is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in a million. What you usually get is the bird big joy. So please don't think twice. Actually, you know what? Think 100 times before getting yourself a pet parrot, okay? And with that, can we give it up for Quincy and Amigo, our Amazon parrots?
And each year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are being sold into pet trades. Amazonian parrots like Quincy and Amigo, they can live up to 50 years. So that is a lifetime commitment. They may seem like they'll make good pets, but they don't.
That's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come on down to the bird paradise instead, where you can see all these beautiful birds, right, Mitra?
That's right, Lynn. Okay, so Lynn,
Yes.
what's next?
Now, Mitra, do you know that Wings of the World is proudly sponsored by Kellogg's?
I didn't know that, but I do love Fruit Loops.
And this segment is brought to you by Fruit Loops. Now, everyone, this right here is Alva, our beautiful Togo toucan, and also Kellogg's Fruit Loops ambassador. So what Alva here will be doing right now is he's going to show off his amazing flying abilities by flying through that giant Fruit Loop. Ready, Alva?
Over here, come on. Elmo. There you go. Well done. Now, Togo toucans, they are known for their incredible speed and agility. Their bodies are very flexible, that they can fly through gaps in the forest. For this case, it will be our giant Fruit Loop. So Elmo, one more flight, all the way back to Lynn.
Come on, Alva, right here. Come. And there you go. Thank you very much, Kellogg's, for sponsoring Wings of the World. Good job, Alva.
And up next, we are about to meet an iconic species. Everyone, let us welcome Oris, our Oriental Pine Hornbill. So Oris, hi!
All right, there with Sharil, we have Oris. So he has a very heartwarming story. Now, Oris here fell out of the nest as a chick, and in the wild, Oris would have not survived. But here at Bird Paradise, he was nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us.
So there are two major differences between hornbills and toucans. Hornbills, they can be found in Asia and in Africa. Toucans can be found in South and Central America. Hornbills, they have a distinctive feature over their heads called a casque. Okay, it can just be a small ridge or it can be big and brightly colored.
Now, Mitra, is there anything else we can spot?
Yes, their feet. Both hornbills and toucans, they are excellent hoppers. Okay, look at that. Elmo, hop, hop. No, you chose to fly instead. Okay, now how about Oris? You want to show everyone how you hop? There you go. Very cute, right? Okay, so hornbills, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. Toucans, they have 2 toes up front and 2 at the back. So this gives them the strength to hop up and down branches. What else, Lynn?
Tongues. I remember this. Hornbills, they have a shorter tongue, but both birds use their tongues to toss fruit into their mouth, okay? So let's check this out for Elmo first. Ready, Elmo?
Oh, that was a good catch. How about Oris? A short toss? There you go. And both hornbills and toucans, they are excellent in catching their prey mid-flight. And we're both going to demonstrate just that. We'll start off with Elmo first.
Ready, Elmo? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Great catch.
And if you missed that, let's see Oris in action. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Elmo! Catch! Well done. And with that, everyone, let's give a round of applause for Oris and Elmo, our beautiful birds. Thank you. Hornbills, they have unusual nesting behaviors. They like to nest in big tree cavities, just like that one right up there. So you can see this nesting behavior right here at the bird paradise without leaving your seats. From the smaller oriental pine hornbill. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let us welcome Vicky, our great pine hornbill. Now, great pine hornbills like Vicky, they can be found in Asia. Okay, did you all know that in Borneo, some tribes, they believe that if a hornbill were to fly across their village, it means they are blessed with good luck. Interesting, right? So in a very short while, Vicky will be checking her nest cavity, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. You like it? You go in, okay, Vicky? Let's just give her some time. So usually the female hornbills, they're very fussy about their accommodation. It has to be spacious and have a chimney so they can escape if they want to. So this time, the male hornbill will then come forward and bring her mud. She will then mix it with her own droppings as well as mashed fruits to form a strong seal. And with that, everyone, let us welcome her mate, shall we? Keep your eyes right up there. Let's have Sunny and another great pine hornbill.
So what Sunny is doing right now is he is gathering food for Vicky. Now for up to 4 months, Sunny will feed Vicky and the chicks through that small gap in the nest hole. Looks like he's still gathering more food.
Sunny, whenever you're ready, you fly down, okay? Vicky's waiting for you. Come on. Look at that.
Oops. Now if you cannot see this loving gesture, let's watch this. So this right here is Vicky. She is inspecting the nest cavity, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Oh, look at that, and she goes. And right now we have Sunny feeding Vicky through that small gap. Now this unique nesting behavior is similar to all 62 different species of hornbills. And with that, can we give it up for Vicky and Sunny, our great pine hornbills.
Come on, Sunny. It's time for you to fly back home. James is waiting for you. Look at that. Beautiful flights. And now everyone, hornbills, they are under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbills are being hunted to extinction for their tusk, known as the red ivory. So what's happening to elephants are now happening to these beautiful birds. And that is why right here in Mandai, we have conservation programs to protect these endangered species. And that is also why I love to see birds in the wild, as well as right here at wildlife parks, where they get the best care possible. Oh, best care. Hello everyone, my name is Yogi from Mandai Bird Paradise. Now my team and I, we work hard to make sure that our birds are active, engaged, as well as enriched. And very, very shortly, we are about to meet some feathered friends on stage. Okay, are we ready? Without further ado, here comes our beautiful conures. Yoo-hoo! There they are. Now what they're holding on to is an enrichment device known as the monkey fist, which is ropes tied into knots. Inside this knot, we have hidden a few treats for the birds to find. And this helps to bring out their natural behavior, known as foraging. Now, conures can be found in South America. Once widespread, they are now endangered. Over 800,000 of these birds are sold in the pet trade every single year. There are now more conures in people's homes than in the wild. However, these birds, they are happiest in flocks because they are social birds. So do think about all this before getting yourself a pet conure. Now similarly, even though these birds are very small, they can be very loud as well. one Sun Cornea's vocalization can reach up to 120 decibel, which is as loud as a bulldozer. And there you go! So let's give our corneas a big hand!
Thank you very much, Yogi, for giving us some insights about enrichment for our resident corneas.
So before we carry on with the program, Lynn, you ready to do this?
Yep,
Let's push this very heavy stump all the way back. There you go. So everyone, birds, they are everywhere. They are social or solitary, loving and fiercely protective of their young, smart and agile. And that is why they are one of the strongest creatures you will ever find in our planet. And that is also why, as a birder, I love to travel across continents to see them. But what I really love to see now is birds from all over the world, right here, right now.
well, you know what, Mitra? I think your wish is about to come true.
My wish?
Yes, come follow me.
Really?
Let me show you.
Let's go!
Are you gonna land on all the birds at one go?
So with that, we hope you have enjoyed discovering the beautiful wings of the world. Thank you so much for joining us on our adventure and happy birthday! Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the next program happening right here at Sky Amphitheatre will be the Predators on Wings at